Hello there. Today we are going to make a design. Well, this sounds very interesting. Let's quickly open our book and see what do we have right here. Wow, we see a beautiful design right here with 4 steps and it is made in a semicircle. So let's take our scale and make a sleeping line at first. Once we are done making the sleeping line, let's make a big dome right on top of it, joining both the ends together. Yes, something like this. Can we make this curve together? That'll be lovely. Now, leave a distance of approximately 1 centimeter and make another dome inside. And after that, leave a space of approximately 2 centimeters and make another dome inside. After that, we will start by making this beautiful curve design like this. Yes, we are going to make the letter U connecting to one another. After that, let's start by making a drop wherever the U letter connects. Something like this. Try and keep all the droplets of the same size. That's beautiful. The next thing we do is start by making a design only on the left hand side. Make this design with the help of a curve. And now let's complete it on the right hand side as well. If you notice, the left side looks exactly like the right side. And what is this drawing called? Yes, it is a symmetrical drawing wherein the left side of the drawing looks exactly like the right side of the drawing. The next thing we do is make these zigzag lines. They look beautiful. And now comes the fun part. Let's sketch this together. You can turn around your book however you like. Go very slow while making this. That's lovely. Complete making this slowly and nicely. And make sure that you sketch right on top of the pencil marks. Go very slow so that you don't make a mistake. And now complete the entire design in a similar way. And look at that! The entire sketching is done. We will erase all the pencil marks we see after the sketching. Please be very careful while erasing it. Once we are done with that, we are going to take our color pencil and start coloring this. Well, yes, we will be starting with these triangles. They are very small, hence we will take a color pencil and start coloring them together. And this looks amazing. Continue by coloring the top triangles with the help of a yellow color. Yes, let's color this together. And this side is done as well. Now we are going to use the same color inside. You can do the outline and then color inside. Make sure that you do not color the circles. After that, let's use the same yellow color in this portion. Yes, the background for the droplets. You can move your book however you like or however you are comfortable with and complete coloring the entire picture. Look at that, it looks brilliant. Let's take the blue color once again and start coloring inside this. If you notice, we are putting very less pressure on the crayon. This is how we are going to get a lighter shade. Let's make it a little darker this time by coloring on top of this once again. And now let's take a darker color, which is a Persian blue color. But before that, let's color these circles. That's pretty. Let's take the Persian blue color and start coloring right here. Do not keep any white spaces and complete the entire background. Something like this. This looks beautiful. Let's use the same color to color all the droplets. This is mind-blowing. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. That's amazing. Our design is ready.